The area I chose to look at for this week's forum post is Polk County, Oregon. I chose this area because I had done a project in another class, and it was around the Salem area, and the fish in the region interested me. The Oregon Fish and Wildlife lists 6 major species of fish in Polk County. Only 2 of these species are listed as being threatened or of concern. The first is the bull trout, or Salvanius confluentus. The bull trout is listed as being either a migratory or a resident fish. The migratory nature of some bull trout mean that dams can put them at risk. Oregon Fish and Wildlife lists several reasons for dams to have an adverse effect on the bull trout. Migration is the first and most obvious one. They also list dams as increasing the temperature of the streams. This is detrimental to the bull trout because it resides in colder water, which is usually not above 54 to 60 degrees. The dams can also cause mortality of the fish as they attempt to pass through or over the dams. They can also become trapped in other diversion structures associated with the dams, such as those used for irrigation. The second fish, which is actually only listed as of concern by Oregon Fish and Wildlife, is the coastal cutthroat trout, or Oncorhynchus clarkii. The threatened listing of this fish is a contentious issue, and the Fish and Wildlife Service is being required to continue their assessment of the fish to decide if it will be listed as threatened. There are 3 different forms that the cutthroat trout takes on: non-migratory coastal, freshwater migratory, and saltwater migratory. It is also believed that they can move from one form to another throughout their lifespan. Like the bull trout, many of the same reasons why dams are detrimental exist. They seem to be a more hardy fish, however, and are more adept to evolving to the changing conditions around them. This could be one reason why they have not yet succumbed to the same threatened status as the bull trout. There are 65 dams listed in Polk County. Most of these have a purpose listing of other, but there's also a great deal of them that are listed for irrigation purposes. Now, while not all of these dams will affect the habitat of either of these fish, it is certainly interesting to see the sheer number of possible habitat interferences that exist not only in this county, but across the whole United States.